ಬೀದರ್ನ ಮಡಿವಾಳ ವೃತ್ತದ ಹತ್ತಿರವಿರುವ ಗುಡ್ವಿಲ್ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎನ್ಲೈಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಡೇ ಎನ್ನುವ ಶೀರ್ಷಿಕೆ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನರ್ಸರಿಯಿಂದ 10ನೇ ತರಗತಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಎಲೋಕೇಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಯಿತು. ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರೇಮಕುಮಾರಿ ತಲವಾಡಕರ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಅತಿಥಿ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿಸುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಈ ಎಲೋಕೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡ್ರಾಯಿಂಗ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಚಾಲನೆ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರು ನೀಡಿದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಗೆ ಅನುಗುಣವಾಗಿ ಚಿತ್ರ ಬಿಡಿಸಿದ್ದು, ತಮಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಬಹಳ ಅಚ್ಚುಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಹಾಗೂ ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆಯನ್ನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನೀಡಿದರು. ಮಾರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾನವೀಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳು, ಯೂನಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಡೈವರ್ಸಿಟಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿವಿಧತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏಕತೆ, ವೈವಿಧ್ಯತೆ, ಸೇ ನೋ ಟು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಮುಕ್ತ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಅಂಗಾಂಗ ದಾನಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅರಿವು, ಜಾಗೃತಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಭಾರತ ಹಾಗೂ ಕುಡಿತ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಮಾಡುವುದರಿಂದ, ಮದ್ಯ ಸೇವಿಸುವುದರಿಂದ ಆಗುವ ದುಷ್ಪರಿಣಾಮಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಮೂಡಿಸುವ, ಅರಿವು ಮೂಡಿಸುವ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ವಿಷಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ತಮ್ಮದೇ ಆದ ಶೈಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚಿತ್ರಗಳನ್ನು ಬಿಡಿಸಿ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವಿಶ್ಲೇಷಣೆ ನೀಡಿ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರ, ಪಾಲಕರ, ಅತಿಥಿ ಗಣ್ಯರ ಮೆಚ್ಚುಗೆಗೆ ಪಾತ್ರರಾದರು. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯವರು ಕೂಡ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬರೀ ಪಠ್ಯೇತರ ಪಠ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಿಗಷ್ಟೇ ಸೀಮಿತವಿರಿಸಿದೆ. ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್, ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಕೌಶಲ್ಯತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಕರೇಜ್ ಮೂಡಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಜನೆ ರೂಪಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಬಹುತೇಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಉತ್ತಮ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ನೀಡಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪ್ರೇಮಾ ಕುಮಾರಿ ತಲವಾಡಕರ್ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸುಜಾತಾ ಪೂಜಾರಿ, ಡಿಸಿ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬೀದರ್, ಅಂಬಣ್ಣ ನಾಯಕ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸರ್ ಸ್ಕೌಟ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಗೈಡ್ಸ್ ಬೀದರ್, ಶ್ರೀ ಸೂರ್ಯಕಾಂತ್, ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಬೀದರ್, ಶ್ರೀ ಸಂಜೀವ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಮೇತೆ, ಇಸಿಒ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಬೀದರ್, ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಬಾಲಭವನ ಸಮಿತಿ ಸಂಯೋಜಕರಾದ ಸೂರ್ಯಕಾಂತ್ ಮೋರೆ, ಅನಿಲ್ ರಾಜ್, ಎಂಡಿ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ಆಜಾದ್ ಚಿತ್ರಕಲೆಗಾರರು, ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ ಉಬಾಲಾ ಚಿತ್ರಕಲೆಗಾರರು, ಮೋಸೆಸ್ ಚಿತ್ರಕಲೆಗಾರರು, ತೀರ್ಪುಗಾರರಾದ ಸುನೀತಾ ಆನಂದ್ ಹುಲ್ಸುರೆ, ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಜಯಶ್ರೀ ಎಂ ಚಟ್ಟೆ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಯಶೋಧಾ ಶರ್ಮಾ ಅವರು ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಶಾಲಾ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ವೃಂದದವರು, ಶಾಲಾ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
From the class nursery to 10th standard, as the topics were given from nursery to UKG was on the cleanliness is next to godliness, and for the first and second category the topic was given on moral values. Third standard and fourth standard unity in diversity. Fifth and sixth awareness on donating organ. This awareness on donating organ, which is very important in the present scenario, because every human body is affected either by 10th standard who are going to give education speech on drinking and smoking is injurious to health. Because of that drinking and smoking and eating bad habits is causing our organs defective. Because of that organ donation is very necessary in this present days. That is the reason few of the children are telling why organ donation is very necessary. Apart from that, use of plastic is also dangerous. ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೇ ನೋ ಟು ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅದ್ರ ನಂತರ ಉಳಿದಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಭಾರತ್. ಟುಡೇ ನೌ ಡೇಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಭಾರತ್. ಆ ಭಾರತ ಕೆಲವರು ಏನೋ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟರ್ಸು ಅವರು ಇವರು ಭಾರತ ಹಳೆಯ ದೇಶ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಭಾರತ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡನ್ ಸಿವಿಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಟೀಕೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, ಭಾರತ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಳೇದಿದೆ ಅಥವಾ ಭಾರತ್ ದ ಟ್ರೆಡಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಆಫ್ ಭಾರತ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡರ್ ದೆನ್ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಇವತ್ತಿನ 8th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Here I would like to thank all the teachers who have given their time and contributed for the children to make up and give today's execution in a better manner. Thank you.
The topic given to my class, moral value. What is the moral value? Moral value are defined as guidelines that assist the person in deciding between right and wrong in order to create honest and fair judgment and relationship. In daily life, the awareness is crucial. 10 lines on moral value. Moral value are the most fundamental of life. These are all aspects of virtuous action and behavior. Moral value are necessary for becoming a good person. Having strong moral value transforms a person into decent citizen. It assists a person in achieving success in life. The pillar of success are strong moral principles. A person without moral value will not be trusted and respected in society. A person without moral value will not be trusted and respected in society. Will not be trusted and respected in society. A person without moral value will not be trusted and respected in society. Can take the right decisions at every step. Thank you. Namaste, myself Pranjali of class 3rd. I am very much glad to stand here today to share my feeling on our education topic, unity in diversity. India is a colorful country inhabited by people who believe in different religions, follow different tradition, culture and have their individual belief and lifestyle. This is for one of the cultures which attract foreign tourists the most and especially visit India during Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, etc. India has the oldest civilization and culture and some of which still being practiced today. See, there is no dearth of diverse in India. It is an epitome of the famous slogan unity in diversity. Our present India civilization is sustained and naturally by multi-ethnicities of different states. We all are aware diverse races such as Mughals, French, British, etc. They conquered the country and select here for several years. People here are emotional and that's the most popular language. They understand which keep them limited in all assets. The political condition is stable in India and it allows multinational companies to start their venture which opens up employment opportunities for the Indians. People in India are soft-spoken, caring irrespective of the party they belong to. Not to forget, there are some antisocial elements who try to corrupt the country by their behavior and activities at India remains. It is force of our motherland and tolerance to accept the adversity and promote unity in diversity. Conclusion. India is a lot of culture, religions to maintain peace. We should respect each other, culture, religions. Thank you.
Better principal, ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Ranshita. I am studying in 5th class. My topic is why do we say no to plastic? What is plastic? Plastic is a synthetic material. It is also a polymer like a synthetic fiber. What is used to make plastic? Plastic are made from natural materials such cellulose, coal and crude oil brought up polymer or flat condenser. What are the types of plastic? Crude oil, cellulose, coal and natural gas. What are the materials used to make plastic? Plastic are made from natural materials such cellulose, coal and crude oil brought up polymer or flat condenser. What are the advantages of plastic? Plastic are highly available and university long period. Save our plastic work. Thank you.
Class 7, it's a special day for me where I am interested to share my previous thoughts on education topic given to me, awareness on donating organ. The impact of organ donation can vary as it is depends on the number of organ and tissue donation and the medical needs. However, a single organ donor saves the multiple lives. Cornea. The outer core transplant tissue covering the iris and papilla on the outside of the eye cornea with eye disease and corneal infection. Skin, a tissue which protects the body from infection and injury, like skin loss due to infection. In many Western countries, an adult is asked to make a choice If he or she wants to be a donor, in India, this final choice is left to the family in case of brain death. A person carrying a donor card, the family still needs to approve the donation of organ. The organs can be donated are kidney, liver, eye, brain, heart. Donating organ is also has a specific age. After 18 can sing up to organ donation. Be a hero, be an organ donor. Life is a gift, pass it on. Vandana.
Namaskaram. It is a special day for me. I am Sneha of class 8 where I am interested to share few thoughts on the topic given to me, concept of Bharat. Bharat is a union of states. It is a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic with parliamentary system of government. Article 1 of the Constitution adopted in 1950 states that India that is Bharat. Bharat is predominantly used in the regional languages while India for English. The name Bharat can go back to the time of the great emperor called Bharata who was the son of King Dushyanta and Queen Shakuntala who conquered the whole subcontinental. The most popular reference to a geographical area being described as Bharata is in Vishnu Purana. Uttaram yat samudrasya himadrasya va dakshinam vasham tat bharatam nama bharatam yatra santati. Meaning, the country which lies to the north of the ocean to the south of the snowy mountain is called Bharata, as they were descendants of Bharata. In Hindu scriptures, Bharatavarsha is identified as the larger geographical entity called Jambudvipa. Bharat refers to Bharata, Bharatvarsha and Bharatkhanda in Vedas and Puranas. The name Bharata in Sanskrit means Bha means light and knowledge while Rata means devoted, meaning Bharat means devoted to light and knowledge. Different names of Bharata: Aryabhatta, Bharatavarsha, Jambudvipa and Tanjiku. The name Bharat is not just a name, but it is a powerful mantra that creates vibration in us. Bharatam Mahabharatam Ganga Narmada Punya Tirtham Sindhu Saraswati Kaveri Jivana Karana Mula Tattvam Nadi Rashtrasya Maha Amritam Bharatam Mahabharatam. Bharat is very important for many reasons, including cultural diversity, linguistic diversity, historical origins, national symbols and expressions, and sense of belonging. India is a constitutional and international name given to Bharata. India is originally derived from the river Sindhu, which was pronounced Indus by British. Bharat smiles when we say we are proud to be Indians, and India smiles when we say Bharat Mata Ki Jai. Both represent the same coin. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that Bharat is most alternative, and Bharat is all about honoring the past, unifying the present, and inspiring the future. In a rapidly changing world, Bharat matters because it adjusts India to its root while propelling it into the forward. Bharat.
It's my pleasure to stand here to say my thoughts on the allocation topic, drinking is injurious to health. First of all, let me explain you what is drinking. Drinking means consuming a beverage that contains ethanol and ethyl, which is the only type of alcohol that is not safe for humans to drink. There are many types of alcohol like beer, rum, whiskey, wine, brandy, scotch and spirits. People drink alcohol for many reasons, include socializing, relaxing, coping with stress, to change mood, for enjoyment, to celebrate, and some people may try to drink to relieve the symptoms of mental ill health. First of all, let me explain you 4 types of drinkers. The person who drinks alcohol regularly in a variety of social settings is called social drinker. Conformity drinker is a person who drinks alcohol to fit in with others rather than want to. Enhancement drinker is a person who drinks alcohol to change mood, for enjoyment, experience, to feel excitement, thrill or adventurous. Coping drinkers tend to drink to cope with their emotions because alcohol initially coincides feeling good effects such as energy, confidence and a sense of relaxation. Short-term effects. Alcohol also causes skin changes, injuries, difficulty of breathing, vomiting and a lack of coordination. Long-term effects. Alcohol causes many serious health problems. Alcohol can cause the blood pressure, which can increase the risk of having
heart attack, or stroke. Alcohol causes changes in the function of the kidney and make them less able to filter the blood. Heavy drinking often lead to liver inflammation, fatty liver, hepatitis, fibrosis, and cirrhosis. Drinking too much alcohol can cause mental health conditions like depression, mood changes, and anxiety. Alcohol causes several types of cancers like lung cancer, liver cancer, stomach, mouth, esophageal, throat, and pancreatic cancers. The government recommends to drink no more than 14 units of alcohol a week, gap across 3 days or more. There is no completely safe level of drinking. But sticking within these days is the risk of harming the health. Few steps to stop drinking. Stay away from the people normally drinks with you or the place where you would drink. Plan the activities you enjoy that do not involve drinking. Keep alcohol out of the home. Follow the plan to handle the urge to drink. Talk to someone you trust when you have the urge to drink. I would like to conclude that drinking has caused a great number of death, crime and pain. It's like a poison to the human body. If once a person begins to drink, it's very hard to quit. So stop drinking. Lead a better life.
Hi to all, my name is Swati. It's pleasure to stand here and say my topic given to me, smoking is injurious to health. Let me explain you what is smoking. Smoking is an act of inhaling and exhaling smoke from burning plant materials like cigarette, cigar, pipe, bidis, hookahs. A cigarette which contains nicotine, which is addictive chemical that can have a stimulating effects on our body. Active smoking is a process where you inhale the smoke which may lead to heart-related disorders. Passive smoking is when you inhale smoke from other people's cigarette, cigar, pipe, bidis. About 80 to 90% of people who smoke regularly are get addicted to nicotine. Our body usually get addicted to nicotine. Children of people who smoke regularly are called second-hand smokers. Smoking harms nearly every organ, from the appearance of our skin to nails. Smoking can cause cancer, heart disease, breathing problem, pregnancy problem. Several evidence-based strategies can help to reduce tobacco. Smoking has negative health effects on our body. Don't let your life float on smoking. Stop smoking. Vandanam.